Good evening, everyone. So today we have identified a major problem statement of women's safety in colleges and universities. So as we know, the number of crimes and mishaps increasing in these places are increasing. Today we have come up with an ideal solution and a prototype to tackle these kind of mishaps. So this is our app project Raksha. The term Raksha stands for safety. So our app mainly focuses on proactive features. So we have got the solution for real-time monitoring. So our app has these four features: red zones, real-time risk assessments, risky timings, and future predictions. The red zones shows us the black spots where the maximum number of incidents were reported. Each red zone has a specific risk time chart, which shows us the different risky timings. And the future risk prediction helps us to know the risk in any sort of event like annual day or sports day, depending on the previous data. So we have used ARIMA and SVM algorithm to train our model. So as soon as our app is live, as soon as the students start reporting various incidents, our model gets trained accordingly, and it updates the feed. So we as soon as so we also have this SOS feature. So whenever there's a distress signal sent, so the distress signal is sent to the women's safety department and the security of the college. So we also came up with a major problem of limited connectivity. So we implemented offline downloadable maps so that we can share the exact coordinates of where the mishap has taken place. So we also have SOS features like phone shake, voice command, and in-app activation. So we also engaged a community feed where the students can actively participate by sharing any such of stories, safety tips, support, any kind of support. So this is the basic workflow of our application. So these are the proactive features like red zoning, risky time insights, real-time risk assessment, future risk prediction, and this is the reactive feature like the SOS feature. Like as soon as the as soon as the student encounters any such of mishap, she can just send a distress signal, and it gets stored in the database as well as it goes to the nearby security of the college. So this is a technical stack. We have used a pretty decent tech stack. So we use Flutter for the front end and TensorFlow for training our model for a machine learning model. We have used Firebase for storing the database for collecting the data. We have used Google Maps API, Video, and the SOS feature of our phone. So these are the unique selling points which makes our application different than other applications. We have like our application is a cross platform application. We can send offline distress signals. It has a smooth UI UX. We are even implementing pulse rate detection in our application. So we have only one dependency, that's one-time internet connection. So when the user sets up this application, she needs internet for downloading the offline map, and otherwise it can be used in offline mode also. So this is the basic UI of our application. So I'll be leaving the link to the PDF. So now I'll be showing you the prototype. So this is the basic prototype of our application. So these are the four features on which this application is built. This is the sign in sign up page. This is the actual user's UI. So this is the personalization part where the user can edit the profile, add emergency contacts. Coming to the real-time features, this is the live risk score where the live risk score of the current location will be shown. Next we have red zones which changes accordingly, and each red zone will show a specific risk time chart. So the next feature is future risk prediction, which is done on previous crowd pattern and mishaps taken place in the college. Suppose you have an annual day, so the historical safety data, which has been like our model is trained in such a way that it analyzes the previous data and it gives a risky location breakdown on that particular day. Coming to the SOS feature, suppose a user encounters any sort of distortion, she can click this, and the SOS signal will be sent to the nearby security and the women's safety department. So the next feature is downloadable offline maps, where the user can download the map beforehand, which helps in enabling the offline mode, where the distress signal will be sent via SMS. The next is incident reporting, where the user can report any sort of mishap or bully taken place in the campus. So this is the community feed page, where the user can get access to various events, ongoing events going on in the campus, which include safety tips and tricks, counseling videos, and any sort of event related to this domain.